Hey everybody, Matthew Cole with West Shore Mortgage here in Sacramento. Today we're going to talk about VA loans, and if you're a listing agent, why supporting the troops means more than just posting it on your social media. VA loans, super difficult for the most part when you're dealing with a borrower who usually is using 100% financing and sometimes doesn't have a lot of money saved, but they probably had a pretty tough time going to overseas or wherever they've been, dedicating their lives and their future to support this country. So me as a loan officer and lots of other realtors that I work with, we do our best to make sure that these guys and girls that support our country and risk their lives for it all have everything they need to be able to get the good loan that they deserve. VA loans are 100% financing, super low rates, and no mortgage insurance. The absolute best loan you could get for sacrificing your life for your country. So we love doing loans for vets. They're very deserving of the best loan they can get, and the problem that they run into is that a lot of the times the education of certain agents, they may or may not know what they have to do to be able to accept a VA offer. VA loans are super unique regarding a few things. One, they have to have a Section 1 clearance. A lot of the times you can get this with the HUD form filled out, but you still sometimes could get just a Section 1 clearance, and sometimes it's just a lot easier to get. Listing agents think that their sellers have to actually pay for these repairs, which isn't the case. A lot of the times, buyers can pay for that themselves, or I know certain real estate companies that will actually offer a credit to go towards these costs. The appraisal process also can be a tough one. The VA appraisers are held to a different standard than most appraisers in the industry and have up to 10 business days to get us back an appraisal. So that's why on my team, we order the VA appraisal on day one, so that way we get our clock ticking and we get that VA appraisal back sooner. The underwriting process and the way to get a VA loan, there's really nothing different there. There's actually lots of cool perks for a VA loan. This market's a little tough, but when the market cools down, sellers can pay for a VA buyer's debts to help them approve for a higher mortgage. VA loans also have no flip rules. So if you have somebody who is looking to buy a brand new flip, there's no rules for that. So they can go ahead and write that offer on day one that you put that flip on the market. So if you're a listing agent and you see an offer come through that's a VA buyer, give them a shot. Because chances are there's ways to make that deal work, and I know in this market it's super competitive, but you're gonna do something amazing for that person who really wants this home for their family. So I really hope if you have any questions or you have any VA offers that come across your desk, give me a call because our team will do whatever it takes to help make that deal close. Or if you find this video helpful, share this. I'd love to give any veteran out there some help or some guidance on how to get their offer accepted. Hit me up below if you have any questions and look forward to hearing from you.